Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you know that my Ayurveda Academy channel is meant for all the sectors of the society. This channel is definitely useful for BAMS, Ayurveda students, homeopathic students, allopathic students, naturopathy students, pharmacy students. My channel is definitely useful to boost up your confidence in general medical practice and Ayurveda consultancy. So there are many videos which are very useful for the young, dynamic Ayurvedic and allopathic doctors. Then this my channel is very useful for the patients because they get the awareness and the knowledge of the diseases. And my channel is also useful for the healthy, normal human being or the society healthy people. For example, Ayurveda for all. This will educate the people in respect with the health and in respect with the Ayurveda. Now, my today's video is very useful for especially for the BAMS Ayurvedic students from first year to last year, because the key of success is to understand which are the very important topics in your curriculum, in your syllabus. And when the students go for examinations of any university, it may be the Maharashtra University of Health Science, it may be the Rajiv Gandhi University, it may be the Jamnagar University. So all over India, there is one type of syllabus and the questions are always based on the syllabus. So on my channel, I have already uploaded the MUHS, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences question papers. What you have to do, you have to go to the playlist and search for the different subjects like for Sharir Rachana or anatomy, Ayurvedic physiology or Kriya Sharir, then Swastha Vritta, then Padartha Vijnan, etc., etc. But today I am going to give you a very interesting links, LRNKS links, by which you can definitely enter into the treasure of the question papers of the previous years. So today's video is BMS question papers. All the links explaining here are given in my description box of the video. But hope that this will give you a very energy boosting confidence when you go on solving those questions paper. There are various questions paper 2017, 18, 2019 till 2021. Okay, so myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. You would definitely like this video, and if you like this video or the concept, please subscribe my YouTube channel and make a thumbs up and press the bell icon so that you will get very interesting videos regarding the health, Ayurveda, curriculum, as well as the practice. Okay, and for the common man also. So this is my WhatsApp number. I request all of you, in spite of the phone, you first WhatsApp me on 92268 So let us go for the next slide. Previous year's question papers, BMS, all years and all subjects. Okay, there may be some exceptions. So first year BMS, this link is given in the description box. So you have to just click the link and you will open. Right now I'm opening that particular part. Can you see SDM Institute of Ayurveda Library, Bengaluru? Here you get the first year BMS subjects. For example, Sharir Rachana, Sharira Kriya. Of course, it may be the Rachana Sharir or Kriya Sharir and Sanskrit as well, and the Padartha Vijnan. And of course, the Ashtanga Hridaya. So these are the subjects of first year. And very simple, you have to just click over here. Just we will use some examples here. I am entering into that particular sector of Sharir Rachana question papers. Okay, let us see how it works. In the same fashion, when you will click on here, can you see on the screen? Can you record? Can you see? I just double click over here. So here is the facility you can see. Just I will move my position. Download all. Can you read this? Very interesting. I request all my students immediately they start downloading all the question papers and preserve these all the PDFs in your mobile. Don't forget my words. preserve it in your mobile, and at every time of your study, you go on scrolling this particular question papers. All these question papers can easily be downloaded. Can you see? I will just click over one to show you example. Can you see? Just see how interesting it. Lot of treasure of the question papers. We are trying to see the question paper of Sharir Rachana or anatomy. Of course, depends on the internet speed and depends on your what you can say, the circuit, or how many windows there are opening. So it is. Can you see over here? So I will just again move my particular window and I will try to explain. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Karnataka. You will say, oh, doctor, I am in Delhi. Doctor, I am in Maharashtra. Doctor, I am in Bengal. Don't worry. Each and every question paper is definitely useful for all over India BMS students. For example, it gives you the idea which topics are very important to be studied. Long essays, 15 marks. Can you see? Of course, the mark distribution may be vary as per your own university, as per your own college, but the concept of syllabus will be the same. Describe in detail uterus with its location, parts, supports, anatomical relations, then explain the trachea, peritoneum, thyroid gland, pancreas. This is all anatomy, okay? Fallopian tubes, then again, detail cerebrum, external ear, midbrain, etc., etc. So I will just close this window and I will try to show you another some examples. Now we will go for second year BMS. Here again, you can see Agata Tantra and Vyavahara Ayurveda. All the question papers are there. Charaka Samhita Purvardha, Dravya Guna Vijnana. Can you see? And Rasa Shastra Vaishajya Kalpana. I will just try to open this particular, double click over here. And within a short period of time, you can see all the question paper. For example, can you read over here? This is February 2019. I hope you are seeing this. Then February 2020, 2021, then 2017, March 2018. Okay. Then here you can see September 17, then October 19, May 16. So different question papers. And again, I am showing you that's everything. Download all. My dear friends, it is your own duty now to immediately start downloading all the question paper and start studying it. If anybody is interested to get the classes of these different subjects, I have the team of doctors and a team of teachers. I can arrange for personal tuitions as well for the different subjects, but it is paid services. Try to understand, this is paid services. Okay. Now I am closing this window again and I will go for third thing. Okay. For example, third year BMS. Here, can you see? Swastha Vritta and Yoga, then Prasuti Tantra and Stri Rog, and the Bala Rog, Charaka Samhita Purvartha, and Roga Vijnana, Vikruti Vijnana. Each and every subject. For example, here I will go. Can you see all the question papers of Roga Nidan? March 17, March 18, March 19, March 20, September 17, and September 18. Okay. For example, latest question paper, March 2021. We will go for that. Okay. Where it is? 2020 is here. Okay. Let us open for 2020. Roga Nidan and Vikruti Vijnan. So nearly all the subjects are covered. Roga Nidan is Ayurvedic pathology. And you can see the different question papers. They are asked in the Samprapti. Then they can ask you the Panchak, Nidana Panchak, Manchak, Nidana, Purva, Roop, Hetu, etc. Can you see? Roga Nidan and Vikruti Vijnan, paper 1. Describe in detail Kriya Kala, Shat Kriya Kala, Chaya Prakop Prasar, Sthana Samshaya Vyakti and Bhed. Discuss the Agni in Vyadhi Samprapti. Then here you can see the Vyadhi Kshamatva, immunity. In this corona pandemic, this is very important, famous. So this question paper is of, can you see? I will try to see the year of this question paper. If it is there, here, I think there is a code word, but here you can see March 6, 2020. Naturally, because there was a corona pandemic, and so naturally they have asked about the Vyadhi Kshamatva. Okay, so these are the different question papers, and I am expecting classification of Hetu. Can you see? Pradhanika Hetu, Sannipatik Hetu, then the different. So different types of the Hetus they have been asking. Classification of immunity, Trividha Pariksha, Darshana, Sparshana, and Prashna. So this is all about what we have talked about, Roga Nidan subject of third year. Now we will try to see the fourth year. Okay, here, Shalya Tantra, Chalakya Tantra, research methodology, yes, and Panchakarma and Kaya Chikitsa. Just try to open this particular research methodology paper. We will try to see the research methodology. Okay, So here March 17, March 18, March 19, all the question papers are there. For example, March 2020, this is the latest question paper, but there is another movement, that means of 2021 also they have uploaded the question papers. So just we have the look for the 4th year BMS subject, research methodology and medical statistics. This subject is very useful when you are doing the MD or MS. Define the research methodology, classify, discuss quantitative and qualitative research. This is statistics, normal distribution, discuss research protocol with example, explain the importance of ethics. So all these question papers you can here also. Can you see the sign? You can easily download all these things. And I request everybody of you, please download all these questions paper. And latest, I would like to show you here. 2021, this year. I am talking in front of you on the 9th of November 2021, and these are the question papers. Okay, can you see over here? You have to just click it over here. All the links are given in the description box. So here again, you will go 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year, and 5th year. Likewise, they have decided how you can study this particular Shalya Tantra, for example, research methodology, Panchakarma. Okay, so I hope that you have liked these particular links. And again, I will like to go back here. All the subjects, Rachana, Kriya, Padartha, Vijnana, etc. Sanskrit, I have forgotten Ashtanga Hridaya year, but 2nd year, then the 3rd year subjects, link is there, and everything is ready for you. And I request all of you, please, 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 this type of videos are there, answers for the answers. There are different audio videos. Audios are also there, videos are also there on my particular YouTube channel, that is Ayurveda Academy. And I request all of you, for the paid services, for any patient, you can refer these patients on 9226810630. Please subscribe my channel, then like my channel, share, give your feedbacks, how the useful links that you have got, how you can download all these videos. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Here, I would like to conclude this very, very short video to give you the very nice things. And similarly, I will try to upload the different things of your utility. Okay. So let us go further. I would like to say bye-bye to you. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.